Louisville Police. And let me tell you what really happens when you get a call with crime in progress, and they're giving you blow by blow, street by street, telling you where the bad guy is. I can tell you that we all get excited, we focus on where we're going, and we all want to get there first and grab the bad guy, and it's just awesome. 424, go ahead.
Got a theft in progress, electronic device alert. It originated at 9013 Lynn Station Road, and I am on the phone. We are getting this information from the monitoring center. Stand by.
10-4.
Actually northbound on Colonel Anderson Parkway in Kirschmore. Continuing straight into the subdivision, turn right onto Fort Ann. I have all the information about the air conditioner unit. Insert number
424 is okay.
424, you want the location?
10-4, 10-9 location.
424, the monitoring center is reporting at the house on the corner. It's Great Ricky. It's at the corner of Brentmore and Farmhand. 424, you ready to come? Serial number? Serial number is 3012 X-ray 63. That is on a lead 10-seer outside air conditioner unit.
424 is okay. .424 the radio, I got a hit on that machine. Vehicle is empty this time. Tag number is 769er. Nancy Adam. 424 copy and address 9409 Farnham. 9409 Farnham. Hello, how you doing?
How are you?
Is that your truck out back?
Yeah, back there.
Yes. Can we go take a look at it right quick?
Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
Buying an air conditioner.
Okay, so this is your air conditioner right here?
Yeah, I just bought it.
Where'd you buy it from?
A friend.
And what's his name?
John.
You have a bill of sale? You have a receipt for anything for it?
Not on me, no.
Well, here's the problem. This air conditioner is recorded stolen.
Really?
Okay, so I'm going to have to place you on the list. We're going to put you have back. 424 radio, subject temperature. When a crime is in progress and one or two cars may be dispatched, I can tell you everybody's going. Detectives, anybody sitting in the district, anybody drinking their coffee, everybody jumps in their cars and they go straight for wherever the problem is. When the dispatcher gives us turn by turn, blow by blow, real-time action as to where the merchandise is going, I can tell you everybody is swarming to the scene, including the two officers that were dispatched, but everybody that's in the vicinity of the area will swarm in and we'll do our best to grab the bad guy. The highest thrill is to catch the bad guy red-handed, and this type of system that tells us where they're going, where they're at, it's like a junkie on a high. We got to go after.
My name is Jessica. I'm a new investor, and let me just tell you how blown away I was by how effective this little device was. At first I was kind of skeptical, but when I saw Officer Helm find that thief and return that unit back, I was sold. With this device, you get 100% money back guarantee, and it's pretty, and it works. But with a butt ugly cage, the only guarantee you have is a police report. So to me, it's a no-brainer why you should get one. For every investment property I get in the future, I am going to get one of these devices for my AC unit, and you should too.
I hate this device due to the fact that 15 minutes after I got home, the cop shows up, arrests me. I have no time to come up with a story. I have no time to hide the device at my house. I have no time to give the device to a friend to hide for me in another location. which wouldn't do him any good anyways because he'd get caught with it. This is going to be all around just a deterrent for any thief, any criminal, anything. This is going to be a huge deterrent, and it's no good for anybody that's going to try to steal anything. Basically, I hate the device on the AC unit. There's nothing good from it from a thief standpoint.